Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, happy Tuesday. Two issues in the marketplace. Number one, the USDA FSA came out with their monthly revision of acres that farmers enroll in the farm programs. The numbers were higher than the August numbers, but still suggest lower planted acres than what the USDA NASS is saying. The numbers could be as much as, let's say, 1.5 million to 2 million less corn acres, and maybe 0.5 to 1 million less bean acres. If we plug that in with the current USDA yield, it would be 350, 60 million bushels of corn and maybe 50 million bushels of beans, less crop production than what the USDA is saying. But we have to remember that we're still starting harvest. 4% of the corn is harvested to date, and the beans are just getting maybe 20-25% done in the south. And so we still have a lot of data to collect from a yield standpoint, and we could increase yields to offset the acreage decline. And there really isn't any historical correlation between these FSA numbers and what the government finally used in harvested and planted acres. So the market firmed up last night, maybe a nickel up and everything, but now we're kind of getting back a little bit some of those gains. So we still have the harvest data ahead of us that could offer some resistance to the market. Number two is the weather. We finally got the sun coming out here in Chicago. We should have sun out for most of the week as temperatures warm up the rest of the week. Has some rain coming across late week and early in the weekend, and then next week looks warmer and drier. So basically very good harvest weather for this crop. Spring wheat harvest is running behind normal. We still have the problems up there with too much rain slowing harvest and causing quality problems. But so far the market's kind of looked past that as far as a bullish environment. The funds continue to sell wheat into new lows. Outside markets are pretty quiet, waiting for the Fed news this week, and so we're looking for probably a nothing market for a while here until we get more harvest data, and if the harvest data is good, another leg lower in prices. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.